Content rate optimization. Social media is a very powerful tool for branding and marketing. As the rest of the world is bold to tell you, it's one of the most effective way to reach your target audience. And a large mass human beings looking into internet. No wonder knowing how to do a successful social media CRO audit is important. It's cost effective, it is free, very interactive, it is having good insights on it. 50 million small businesses use Facebook pages to connect with their customer. Facebook has 1.28 billion active users and is currently the largest social network that adds up to a lot of potential brand exposure. Because Facebook is discoverable, we can add the content over there and it connects a lot of people across the globe, and we can post the timely content on the Facebook. And at last, we can track what is happening for our campaigns, what is happening for optimization. When we talk about social media marketing, Facebook marketing hits first. We have to create a goal. Now, what is your goal? Your goal could be the conversions, sales, brand awareness, or anything. You have to do a proper research. Who is your competitor? What kind of campaigns that they are creating? And what is the content that they are promoting? And what is the rate for that? Design that Facebook experience and measure your focus, measure your progress on insights. Pinterest. Pinterest helps people to discover things in a simple visual way. Pinners might find something they love while browsing your posts, scrolling through a category you are listed in, or search for you directly. Most of the pins that you publish on business account will have a purpose. The purpose could be the click where it derives the traffic to my website. Pinterest business account is having a platform where we can create campaigns. We have to follow the Pinterest rules and we have to be very organized when we are focusing on pins and quotes. People love your images and people love your videos. Please focus on that and schedule pins every week. Pinning frequency. It depends upon business to business how frequently and what is your requirement of posting. Pin content that matches your audience. Create a unique content for Pinterest alone. Twitter is a social communication tool where people broadcast short messages. These messages called tweets are limited to 140 characters. Now it is 280. Also, as a Twitter user, you select which other people you wish to follow. When you follow someone, their tweets show up in the list as your Twitter stream. Anyone who chooses to follow you will see your tweets in their stream. Conversion on the tweets are just like face-to-face. So when we talk about conversion rate optimization, I would suggest you to focus on Twitter. Use the relevant hashtags, use the relevant content, check who is your audience on Twitter. Your audience on your Facebook and your audience on your Instagram and your audience on your Twitter aren't the same. Might fall under the same affinity but not the same. So most of the people, so like XYZ customers are already in Facebook. ABC customer, they're already in Instagram. Now as a business, if I'm focusing on rate, conversion, we have to focus on all the platforms. Key points. Learn to share and give a proper content. Follow at least 2 people in a day. 2 people based on your business niche. Reply to every little thing that you're posting. Use your brand name as your Twitter name. Use your brand logo as your Twitter picture. Tweet questions or call to action when you post. We can schedule the tweets that have links to valuable content. One of the biggest mistakes people make on Twitter is not using the relevant hashtags. For this, I would suggest you to look for your competitor if you're new to Twitter. You should tweet 10 to 20 times a day to keep your brand name in the Twitter stream. LinkedIn. Which is one of the professional network. LinkedIn can be a powerful tool for individuals and companies looking to make a new connection, generate leads, build their brand. In addition to being a great way to recruit new talent, LinkedIn marketing is likely top marketing tool to employ for B2B businesses. It consistently proved to be the platform of choice for marketing product launches and lead generation. A comprehensive LinkedIn marketing strategies require ongoing management, monitoring analysis, and adjustment. You have to create a dynamic company page for your brand, be a brand authority in your industry, engage in community, and view the statistics of your LinkedIn.